Very good morning to all of you, my friends. Welcome back. I hope you guys are thorough with what I have discussed till now. So let me give you a quick summary about what all we discussed till now. The first point what we discussed was PV ratio. That is contribution divided by sales into 100. Second point what we discussed was break-even sales. If you want to calculate it in rupees, it is fixed cost divided by PV ratio. If you want to calculate it in units, it is fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. Third point what we discussed was desired sales. Herein desired profit will be given. Desired profit plus fixed cost divided by PV ratio. And if you want to calculate it in units, it is desired profit plus fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. Thereafter, we discussed margin of safety. It was actual sales minus break even rate. Or if you want to calculate it in rupees, it is profit divided by PV ratio. And if you want to calculate it in units, it is profit divided by contribution per unit. So these are the concepts what we discussed till now. Anyone having any doubts or queries till now? Because now in the today's session, I'll be putting a variety of questions in front of you. And I want answers from every one of you. Be it right, be it wrong. I want answers from every one of you. So if you guys have any doubts or queries, you guys can post your queries. Further, those who want to copy the summary can copy the summary. Yes, Mustafa. Admin sir, can you please unmute Mustafa?
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Very good morning, Mustafa.
Sir, chat is not on.
Which one? Everyone or regular one?
Anyone?
No, everyone. Don't post the answers on everyone. Just post answer.
Okay, sir. And I want to ask you, what's profit in this margin of safety? I
Pardon?
didn't understand. Profit.
Profit divided by PV ratio.
So what is the profit?
Profit is
Which
basically
profit?
extra contribution over and above fixed cost.
Okay, sir.
After
Okay.
recovering the fixed cost, the additional amount, the additional contribution is what we call as profit. So profit divided by you were present in the last session, Mustafa.
Yes.
तो लास्ट पार्ट जो सिखाया था आपको समझ में आया था मुस्तफा?
No.
नहीं आया था?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. I'll explain this part. Anyone else with any doubts or queries?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Anyone else with any doubts or queries? Good morning, Pooja. Good morning, Shamli. Good morning, Ashlesha. Good morning, Linga. Good morning, Khushi. Okay, so you want me to explain margin of safety again? Okay, Kushi. Good morning, Mujahid. Himanshu Kumar, good morning. Anyone having any doubts? Gunjan, good morning. See, let's say my sales is 5,000. My variable cost is 3,000. My contribution will be 2,000. Fixed cost will is, let's say, 1,200. Therefore, my profit will be 800. My PV ratio is how much? 40%. What will be my break-even sales? 1,200 divided by 40%. That is 3,000 rupees. It means at the sales of 3,000 rupees, my contribution will be equal to my fixed cost. See, if my sales is 3,000, my contribution will be 40%, that is 1,200. This is 1,800. So 1,200 is my fixed cost and my profit will be 0. Now, what we can see is that at sales of 3,000, I'm getting how much contribution equal to my fixed cost. But let's say if the sales goes by extra 10 rupees, if the sales goes by extra 10 rupees, that is 3,010 is my sales. So by at 3,000, my contribution is recovering my fixed cost. So once you cross break even sales, whatever the extra sales you are making, my contribution will be what? My profit. So if my sales is 3,010, if my sales is 3,010, what will be my what will be my contribution? 12,000, 1,204. 1,200 will be my fixed cost and 4 will be my profit. So in short, what I want to say is once you cross the break even sales, जो भी आप एक्स्ट्रा सेल्स करते हैं उससे जो कंट्रीब्यूशन आता है वही हमारा क्या होता है? प्रॉफिट. So in short, my actual sales is how much? 5,000. My break even sales is 3,000. So extra sales, how much I did? 2,000. So 40% is what my contribution, that is 800. Now my fixed cost is already recovered till the sales of 3,000. So fixed cost is already recovered. So how much is my profit? 800. So my point is once you cross break even sales, जो भी आप एक्स्ट्रा सेल्स करते हैं उससे जो कंट्रीब्यूशन आता है वही क्या होता है? प्रॉफिट. So herein how much is my profit? 800. Fixed cost is already recovered in break even sales. So my contribution is how much? 800. So 800 divided by 40% will be how much? 2,000. So ultimately what we are doing, contribution divided by PV ratio is sales. But how much is my contribution? Equals to profit. So that's why we can say once we cross break even sales, what is my profit? The contribution only. So that's why I'm writing profit divided by PV ratio. We will get that extra sales over and above break even sales. And that extra sales above break even sales is what we call as margin of safety. I hope this part is clear to all. Yes, Mustafa and Khushi. Yes, Mustafa. Great Khushi. Yes, Mustafa. I hope your query is resolved. Okay. So those who want to copy this part can copy, please. Yes, Tanu. So once we cross break-even sales, whatever the extra sales we are making from that extra sales, whatever the contribution is, that will be my profit because fixed cost is already recovered till break-even sales, Tanu. So now, anyone having any doubts or queries? Margin of safety means basically once you cross break even sales, that extra sales what we are getting is what my margin of safety. And from margin of safety, whatever my contribution is, that will be my profit. Arun, anyone else? Because now I'll be putting up questions in front of you. So let's start with questions now. Let's say my sales is 1 lakh. My variable cost is 70,000. My fixed cost is 18,000. You are required to calculate PV ratio, break even sales, and margin of safety. Waiting for your answers. The easiest question. Post all the answers together. Shamli, the answer is correct, but do post all the answers together. Yes, Khushi, Meenu, Hina, post all the answers together. All the answers are correct, Shamli. Very good. Rabari, Mustafa, Linga, Kuldeep, do post all the answers. Waiting for your answers. Linga, do post all the answers together. Shamli, all the answers are correct. Once you are done with question number 1, those who have already posted the correct answer, you can start with question number 2. So Khushi Garg, all the answers are correct. Very good, Khushi. Arun, Arun, please recheck your answers. Your answers are incorrect. Tanu, all the answers are correct. Himanshu Kumar, incorrect answers. Good morning, Ashlesha. Gunjan, all the answers are correct. Very good. Anil, all the answers are correct. Meenu, all the answers are correct. Very good. Those whose answers are incorrect can try to solve this again. Linga, all the answers are correct. Nitya, all the answers are correct. Mustafa, all the answers are correct. Tanu Vishwakarma, all the answers are correct. Soni Srivastav, all the answers are correct. Rabari, all the answers are correct. Adil, all the answers are correct. Hina, all the answers are correct. Pooja, it is incorrect answers. All the answers are incorrect. Calculate break-even sales in rupees and in units. Also calculate the number of units to be sold to earn a profit of rupees 18 lakh. All the answers are correct. Himanshu now, very good. Mujahid, incorrect answers. Khushbu, post all the answers together. Harivansh, all the answers are incorrect. I'm surprised. How come you guys are not getting the answer? Edwin sir, the bold is clearly visible. Okay. I want correct answers on this question. The question is very easy and simple. Selling price per unit is 20. Variable cost per unit is 14. Fixed cost is 7,92,000. Calculate break-even sales in rupees and in units. And calculate the number of units to be sold to earn a profit of 18 lakh. All the answers are correct for question number 2, Shamli. Very good. You have to mention it in numbers, Arun, not in percentage for margin of safety. Yes, those who posted incorrect answers, what went wrong? I hope the question is visible to all. Meenu, post all the answers together. The difficulty level will increase as the question progresses. Yashashwini, post all the answers together. Okay, so very good, Nitya. All the answers are correct for question number 2. Okay, perfect, Arun. So we have to prepare this master chart now. For the first question, the PV ratio will be how much? So this is the way to solve the question wherein PV ratio is contribution divided by sales into 100. So that's 30,000 divided by 1 lakh into 100, 30%. Next, break-even sales in rupees, fixed cost divided by PV ratio. So 18,000 divided by 30% is 60,000. And next is margin of safety, that is profit divided by PV ratio, that is 12,000 divided by 30%, that we will get 40,000. Or we can say actual sales minus break-even sales. So my actual sales is 1 lakh. My break-even sales is 60,000. So this will be 40,000. So this is the way to solve the question. So Meenu, your answer is incorrect, Meenu. Rabari, all the answers. See, Rabari, read the question carefully. Yes for units. Harivansh, all the answers are correct now. Yashashwini, please check. This is the correct way. What went wrong, Yashashwini? Kuldeep Nagar, please read question number 2 carefully, Kuldeep. Pooja, first question, all the answers are correct now. Anil, the PV ratio is correct. Break-even sales is correct. But the last part, please check. Since I was writing the solution, so couldn't check your answer. I do respond to everyone's answer. Don't worry, Anil. For the first question, all the answers are correct. But for the second question, the last part, please recheck. For the second question, guys, see the solution. Selling price is 20. Variable cost is 14. My contribution will be 6. My fixed cost is given. That is 7,92,000. So what is the first question? Break-even sales. In rupees, it is fixed cost divided by PV ratio. So fixed So my PV ratio will be how much? First of all, 6 divided by 20 into 100. So that is 30%. So what will be my break-even sales now? So this will be 7,92,000 divided by 30%. So this will be 26,40,000 rupees. Now, when you want to calculate it in units, it is fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. So my fixed cost is 7,92,000 divided by my contribution per unit is 6. So this will be 1,32,000 units. So this is the way to solve the question, that is selling price is 20, variable cost is 14. So contribution per unit will be how much? 6. My fixed cost is 7,92,000. So first thing we need to calculate is PV ratio, that is 30%. So if you want to calculate break-even sales in rupees, it is fixed cost divided by PV ratio. So this is in rupees, this is in units. Now the third part I'm writing here, I've written also calculate the number of units to be sold to earn a profit of 18 lakh. So I just want units, not rupees. So next is desired sales in units. That is fixed cost plus desired profit divided by contribution per unit. Now, how come these formulas are derived? I have discussed all these parts in detail. So my fixed cost is 7,92,000. My desired profit is how much? 18 lakh. Divided by contribution per unit was 6. So this will be 4,32,000 units. So this is the way to solve the question. This is the way to present the solution in exams. Those who want to copy the solution can copy. Else, those who are thorough with this part, you can start with question number 3. Let's say my break-even sales is 3 lakh. My fixed cost is 90,000. What will be my PV ratio? This is the best way to present the solution in exams, Mustafa. Very good, Anil. All the answers are correct. Pooja, all the answers. Pooja, please check your desired sales answers. Kuldeep Nagar, that's okay, no worries. But the answer was incorrect, Kuldeep. Please recheck. Yashashwini, I hope it is clear now. Yes, Yashashwini, any doubts? Harivansh Kumar, do post the answers. That's what I'm saying, Rabari. The point is, read the question carefully. See, you posted break-even sales in rupees, you posted break-even sales in units, but you didn't posted desired sales in units, because I didn't ask desired sales in rupees. I asked desired sales in units. So that's why few marks will be deducted for your answers. I hope it is clear, Rabari, now. Mustafa, very good, correct answer. That's okay, Meenu, no worries. But this is the best way to present the solution, Meenu. Himanshu Kumar, all the answers are correct. Nitya, good, correct answer. Shamli, correct answer. Adil Khan, correct answer. Very good. Khushi Garg, please recheck your answer for question number 3. It is incorrect. Good morning, Hina. All the answers are correct. But see, Hina, again, you did the same mistake what Rabari did. You posted desired sales in rupees, and I asked for desired sales in units. So examiner is going to deduct marks. Pooja, your answer is correct for question number 3. Soni Srivastav, very good. All the answers are correct, Soni. Tanu Vishwakarma, very good. All the answers are correct. Linga, question number 2. Okay, Linga, do post answer for question number 3. Very good, Yashashwini. Your answer is correct. Meenu, correct answer. Everyone, correct answer. Rohan, it's not the PV ratio. Do post the correct and complete answer, Rohan. Gunjan, it is incorrect. Harsh Mishra, please recheck your, Harsh, correct answer. Sara Kasim, correct answer. Ashlesha, correct answer. Mujahid, incorrect answer, Mujahid. Mr. Etam Sethi, the answer is incorrect. Diya Jain, good morning. Your answer is correct. Pooja Byalal, it's not the PV ratio. You have posted the answer in decimal. I want it in percentage form, Pooja. Rabari, it is correct. Very good. Khushi Garg, it is correct now. Very good. Linga, correct answer. Very good. Rohan, correct answer. Very good. Gunjan, incorrect answer. I'm surprised your answer is incorrect. How do we calculate desired profit? This is given in the question. See, to earn a profit of 18 lakh. This is given in the question. This is given in the question, and we have calculated this part. I hope Mr. Sethi Kumar, it is correct. I hope it is clear. So the students who are not being able to solve question number 3, see, when talking about break-even sales, it is fixed cost divided by PV ratio. So my break-even sales is 3 lakh. My fixed cost is 90,000 divided by PV ratio. So this will be 30%. So PV ratio will be 90,000 divided by 3 lakh into 100. So this is 30%. Do post your answers on this question now. Harsh Mishra, it is, let me check. So Harsh Mishra, the answer is incorrect. Keep on trying now. Nitya, it is incorrect. Arun Sagar, it is incorrect. Anil, the answer for question number 3 was correct. Nisi, so Nisi, all the answers are correct. Very good, Nisi. So I've got the correct answer for this question and I got it from Nisi. Okay, so Adil Khan also posted the answer. Adil Khan, your answer is correct. Meenu, it is incorrect. Sara Kasim, it is incorrect. Hina Kumar, it is incorrect. Khushbu, it is incorrect. Uh, Mr. Etam Shetty, it is incorrect. Himanshu Kumar, very good. So, Himanshu, your answers are correct. But do check the profit calculation. I'm not sure about profit, but actual sales is correct, Himanshu. Very good, Himanshu. Tanu, it is incorrect. I've got correct answer from Himanshu, Nissi, and one more student, I think. So now Rohan Bachawat has posted the answer. Your answer is correct, Rohan. I'm just talking about the actual sales, everyone. Kuldeep Nagar. Linga, actual sales is incorrect. Gunjan, actual sales is incorrect. Arun Sagar, now very good, Arun. Your answer is correct. Very good. So Arun has got the answer now. Khushi Garg, actual sales is incorrect. Harivansh Kumar, actual sales is incorrect. Pooja, very good. Pooja Byalal, very good. Your answer is correct now. Khushbu, actual sales is incorrect. Let me check the profit, Pooja Byalal. Shamli, very good now. Your answer is correct. Setti Kumar, your answer is incorrect. I've got correct answer from very few students. No worries. Let me check Himanshu. Aditya, it is incorrect. So still most of the students are not being able to solve the question. Yes, Meenu, waiting for your answer. Nitya, Mujahid, Priya, Rabari, you have not posted the answer, Rabari. Yashashwini, waiting for your answer. Rabari, waiting for your answer. Hina, it is incorrect. I want everyone to solve the question. Tanu Vishwakarma, let me check. Okay, so Mujahid. So the difficulty level will increase as the question progresses, Mujahid. Sara Kasim, it is incorrect. Diya Jain, very good, Diya. Your answer is correct. Tanu Vishwakarma, incorrect answer. Yes, Meenu, Rabari, you have not posted the answers. Chetra, Yashashwini, Ashlesha, Prajyot, you are not posting the answers. Anil, I'm waiting for your answer for question number 4. So those who are done with question number 4, you can start with question number 5. Those whose answers are correct, you can start with question number 5. And those who are not been able to solve the question number 4, just try to solve it again. Sony, again it is incorrect for question number 4. You have not posted the answer, Yashashwini. So Meenu, you got the answer finally. Very good, Meenu. Your answer is correct. Rabari, I have not received answer. Anil, it is correct. Sorry, Anil, your answer is incorrect. Anil, your answer is incorrect. Rabari, waiting for your answer. You have not posted any answer, Rabari. This I know, Mustafa, but what about the actual sales? Ashlesha, it is incorrect. Question number 4, answer is incorrect, Ashlesha. Gunjan, again it is incorrect. Rohan, it is incorrect. Harivansh Kumar, it is incorrect. So Arun, very good. Your answer for question number 5 is correct. Very good, Arun. So now let's start with the solution of question number 4. See, my fixed cost is given divided by PV ratio will get break-even sales. So my fixed cost is 90,000 divided by PV ratio is 30%. So my break-even sales will be how much? 3 lakh. Now guys, as I told you, what is margin of safety? Actual sales minus break-even sales. So just for understanding only, this is not the part of solution. If my actual sales is 5,000, my break-even sales is 3,000. So my margin of safety sales will be how much? 2,000, right? So it means what? Actual sales can be divided in two parts: margin of safety sales and break-even sales. So actual sales can be divided in two parts, that is margin of safety sales and break-even sales. So if margin of safety sales is 60%, if margin of safety sales is 60% of the total sales, then break-even sales will be how much? 40% of the total sales. And break-even sales we have already calculated, that is 3 lakh rupees. So what will be my break-even sales? 3 lakh is equals to 40. So this will be 100%. So this will be 7,50,000. So this is what my actual sales is. So actual sales can be divided in two parts: margin of safety sales and break-even sales. So if margin of safety sales is 60% of the total sales, then break-even sales will be how much? 40% of the total sales. So now once sales is calculated, we can easily calculate all the other figures. That is, sales is 7,50,000. My contribution will be how much? 30%. So this will be 2,25,000. My fixed cost is given in the question, that is 90,000. So my profit will be 1,35,000. Anyone with any doubts or queries? The question was very easy and simple. Nisi, your answer is correct. Very good, Nisi. for the last question. Mustafa, your answer is incorrect. I hope this part is clear to all. When talking about actual sales can be divided in two parts. That is break-even sales and margin of safety. So if margin of safety is, let's say, 25%, break-even sales will be 75% of the total sales. 7,50,000 into 30%, we will get the contribution. PV ratio is 30%, Chetra. Shamli, it is incorrect. The last question. Pooja Byalal, it is incorrect. The last question. I hope this part is clear to all. Mustafa. So Hina, see, what is margin of safety sales? From actual sales, if we deduct break-even sales, we will get margin of safety sales. So let's say if my actual sales is 10,000, my break-even sales is, let's say, 4,000. What will be my margin of safety? 6,000. So in short, what I wanted to say is actual sales is divided in two parts. If the first part is break-even sales, second part will be margin of safety sales. So herein, again, if the margin of safety sales is 60% of the total sales, then break-even sales will be 40% of the total sales. It is incorrect, Pooja Byalal. Adil Khan, it is incorrect. Where is 5 lakh? This is my variable cost, Aditya. That is sales we have calculated, contribution we have calculated. So sales minus contribution will be variable cost. Aditya. Tanu, please recheck the profit part. It is 1,35,000. It is incorrect, Meenu. See, actual sales के दो parts होते हैं. See, what's the formula for margin of safety, Yashashwini? Actual sales में, if we deduct break-even sales, we will get margin of safety sales, right? So here, actual margin of safety sales is 60%. Actual sales we have margin of safety. Sorry, break-even sales. Margin of safety sales is 60% of the total sales. Actual sales is always 100%. So my break-even sales will be how much? 40%. Very simple. Yashashwini. See, as the difficulty level increases, you won't be able to apply formulas. So you have to use your brain. This answer is incorrect. Mustafa. I hope question number 4 is, you are thorough with question number 4. Pooja Byalal, please check the number of zeros. Pooja, answer is incorrect. Adil Khan, the answer is incorrect. So I've got answer from only one student, rest everyone incorrect answer. Rohan Bachawat, please check the number of zeros. The answer is incorrect. No worries, that's okay. Minu, it is incorrect. So now I've got correct answer from Pooja Byalal. Very good, Pooja. Your answer is correct. Very good, Pooja. Yes, Anil. Minu, it is incorrect again. Rohan Bachawat, incorrect answer. Just don't post random answers. Sara Kasim, it is incorrect. It's just a simple mathematics, guys. Hina Kumar, it is incorrect. This I don't know. Minu, do post the final answer. So there are many students who have not posted the answer, and I think I've got correct answer from one or two students only. So keep on trying, guys. Okay, Diya Jain, it is incorrect. Adil Khan, it is incorrect. So Pooja, it is incorrect. So I've got correct answer from Pooja Byalal, but other Pooja, it is incorrect. Ashlesha, it is incorrect. Shamli, your answer is incorrect. Please keep on trying. Aditya, answer is incorrect. That I don't know, Mustafa. You have to simply post the answer. See, the point is make it a habit to solve new question. Examiner is not going to ask straight away questions. So make it as a habit to solve new questions on your own. So that is the reason I'm just putting up these questions in front of you. So now I've got correct answer from Kushi Garg. Very good, Kushi. Your answer is correct. Gunjan also posted the answer. Gunjan, it is correct now. Very good, guys. Last 2 minutes for this question. Then I'll start with the next question. So the 4 to 5 students who are able to solve this question can start with this question. Rest all keep on trying question number 5. Those whose answers are correct for question number 5 can proceed with question number 6. So Mr. Vedant Tiwari, for which question you have posted the answer? Linga, it is incorrect. Yashashwini, it is incorrect. Adil Khan, it is incorrect. Himanshu Kumar, no hint. I'll be posting the final answer now. Mustafa. So guys, stop writing. Stop with this solution also. Wait for a minute. Okay, let me check. One more student posted the answer. No, that is incorrect. See, the selling price per unit is 20. Variable cost per unit is 14. Fixed cost is 7,92,000. Students, I request you guys to stop writing now. Do pay attention. Calculate the number of units to be sold to earn a profit of 10% of sales. So let the units sold be X. Let the units sold be X. So units into price is the total sales. So what will be my total sales? 20 into X. My variable cost will be how much? 14 into X. My contribution will be how much? 20 minus 14, 6X. My fixed cost, it's already given 7,92,000. My profit should be how much? 10% of sales. So my sales is 20X. So my profit will be how much? 2X. So my contribution minus fixed cost should be profit, right? So 6X minus 7,92,000 should be equal to 2X. So we can say 4X is equals to 792. So X is equals to 1,98,000 units. I think it's one of the easiest question of all. So anyone having any doubts in this part, you guys can post your queries. Very good, Sony. Now answer is correct. Yes, Mustafa, Tanu, Kuldeep, Rabari. I hope this part is clear to all. Rohan, it is incorrect. I'm not getting what you are saying, Mujahid. So I think the question was difficult, but the solution is easy, I think. Two X is what? See, 10% of sales, it means 20X into 10%, that is 2X. So my sales is 20X into 10%, it will be 2X. I hope it is clear. It is given that the profit should be 10% of sales. So if my sales is 20X, what will be my profit? 2X. Very simple, guys. So what went wrong, guys? The question was easy. Again, this question is also very easy. Use your brain. Read the question with patience and then start solving the question. Anyone with any doubts on this solution? So Diya Jain, your answer is incorrect. Khushi Garg, incorrect answer. Nisi, very good, correct answer. Very good, Nisi. The answer is correct. That's what I'm saying. Half of the work is done, Mustafa, if you read the question carefully. So I want your opinion on this question. Every one of you guys waiting for your answer. Okay, so Rohan has solved the question and I think he has posted only fixed cost. So fixed cost is correct. Please check the variable cost. It is incorrect, Rohan. So giving you 2 to 3 minutes time to solve the question. So Sabah Shakil, your answer is incorrect. Harsh Mishra, incorrect answer, Harsh. What about other students? Pooja Byalal. So I think very good, Pooja. Both your answers are correct. So I've got correct answer from Pooja and Nisi only. So very good, Pooja. Arun, very good. So Arun also posted the answer. Arun, all your answers are correct. Very good, Arun. Hina, it is incorrect. What about other students? There are so many students. You guys are not posting the answers. Vedant Tiwari, very good. I appreciate your efforts, but your answer is incorrect. So many students are there. Why you guys are not posting the answer? Yes, Meenu, Yashashwini, Harivansh, Prajyot, Sabha, Diya Jain, Sara, Tanu, Khushi, Priya. Waiting for your answers. Last 2 minutes. Anil, it is incorrect, my dear. Sethi Kumar, you have not posted the answer for question number 4th and 5th and 6th now. Waiting for your answer. Sabah Shakil, it is incorrect. Mustafa, it is incorrect. Don't say like this. Himanshu Kumar, it is incorrect. It's a simple mathematics, guys. Anil, it is incorrect. Shobha, it is incorrect. Adil Khan, it is incorrect. That's okay, Meenu, it happens. That's okay. Yes, the answer is in round figure only, but always remember that whatever you are getting, do post your answers. And sometimes the answers can be in decimals also. Mustafa, I'll be using the same formula only, Meenu, what you have posted, and will be solving the question. So, Sethi Kumar, this is my first class to this subject, so I'm trying to understand. Have you checked my previous session, Sethi? Yes, I'll be applying the same formula, Meenu. That you have to calculate. Okay, so do check the recorded session, Seti. Kushi Garg raised the hand. Kushi, do you want to speak something? Yes. Just try to solve it. So last 1 minute, those who want to post the answer, whatever it is, do post it. Be it right, be it wrong. It's not different. In fact, it is much more easier than the questions what we have discussed. Khushi Garg. So now it is correct. Very good, Khushi. The variable cost. See now see, many students are getting the answer. Not many actually. 3-4 students have got the answer. Harivansh Kumar, it is incorrect. So now let's start with the solution. So let's start with this question. See the formula guided by Meenu. It is variable cost plus fixed cost is equals to total cost. So applying the same formula, what we have to calculate variable cost per unit and fixed cost. So let variable cost per unit be X, and we have to calculate the total fixed cost and fixed cost be Y. So when talking about the first part, the unit manufactured in the first case were 2 lakh units. So what will be my variable cost? 2 lakh units into variable cost per unit is X plus fixed cost is Y. It should be equal to what? See, a manufacturer manufactures 2 lakh unit at a cost of 4.5 per unit. So it means 2 lakh into 4.5 will be my total cost, that is 9 lakh. So variable cost 2 lakh into X plus fixed cost Y should be equal to 9 lakh. Now in the second situation, later on he manufactured 3,50,000 units. So 3,50,000 units into variable cost per unit plus fixed cost, but it is given that fixed cost is decreased by 30%. Fixed cost is decreased by 30%. So fixed cost is decreased by 30%. It means for the second year, it will be 0.7, that is 70% of Y. If the fixed cost is Y, it means it will be 70% of Y. And this should be equal to how much? 3,50,000 into 4.2. That is 14,70,000. So now my simultaneous equation is ready, wherein we have to simply equate it. Now, once this equation is ready, you can solve, because in grade 5, grade 6, grade 7, you must have studied simultaneous equation. So let's multiply this by 0.7. Now, why I am multiplying this by 0.7, I will not be discussing, because it's a part of simultaneous equation. You must have learned in grade 6, 7th, 8th, 9th. It was a part of your syllabus. So to make it equal, so we will multiply it by 0.7. So 2 lakh into 0.7, it will be 1,40,000 X plus 0.7 Y is equals to 6,30,000. 3,50,000 X plus 0.7 Y is equals to 14,70,000. Change the sign. This is plus, this is minus, so cancel. So what will be my final value? 3,50,000 minus 1,40,000. This is minus 2,10,000 X should be equal to minus 8,40,000. So value of X will be 8,40,000 divided by 2,10,000, that is 4. So we have got the value of 4, that is my variable cost per unit. Now substituting the value of X in equation 1, substituting the value of X in equation number 1, so 2 lakh into the value of X is 4 plus Y is equals to 9 lakh. So value of Y, that is my fixed cost, is equals to 1 lakh. So when talking about the part, what I have discussed you is this much only. Rest you must have learned in grade 6, 7th, 8th and 9th. Anyone with any doubts or queries? Yes, Khushi. Why you didn't posted the answer on question number 4, Rabari? I was expecting answer from you on question number 4th and 5th. You are not being able to solve, or you didn't try it only, Rabari? I mentioned your name also. See, Mujahid, it is given that the fixed cost is reduced by 30%. Mujahid, read the question. The fixed cost is reduced by 30%. So it will be 70% only. That's okay, Hina. No worries. I hope you will learn from your mistake. See, that's what I'm saying now. You did all the hard work by writing this formula: variable cost plus fixed cost is equals to total cost. See, 2 lakh is what? My number of units. 2 lakh is what? My number of units. If we multiply it by variable cost per unit, we will get the total variable cost. So 2 lakh is units into the variable cost per unit. This will be what? My variable cost, total variable cost, plus fixed cost is equals to total cost. That's okay. What about question number 5, Rabari? But no worries, that's okay. It happens sometimes. But whatever the answers you are getting, do post your answers. This will remain forever, Mustafa. Even after completing CA also, it's going to. I have done with 4.5 now. See, 2 lakh into 4.5 is 9 lakh. How come I got 9 lakh? 2 lakh into 4.5 is 9 lakh, and 3 lakh 50,000 into 4.2 is 14 lakh 70,000. This is how I got the total cost, Pooja. That's okay, no worries. That's what I'm saying. Read the question with patience and then start with the solution. That's okay. I appreciate that you guys are learning from your mistakes. Anyone else with any doubts or queries on this solution? That's okay. Don't worry. The practice is the key, Mustafa. But I hope you are thorough with the question and solution now. Well said, Meenu. The questions are easy. The questions are difficult, but the solutions are easy. As I told you, in marginal costing, formulas are not going to work at all. If you are thorough with the concepts, then only you will be able to solve the questions. Anyone else with any doubts or queries? What say? Should I start with the next question? It won't apply here, Anil. Be it right, be it wrong. Do post your answers, Mustafa. That's okay. Anyone with any doubts or queries on this question? Yes, Linga, setting up this equation was the crux of this question. Those who want to copy the solution can copy. I'll start with the next question. Fixed cost is stable, but variable cost keeps on changing. But they have adopted something. That's why the fixed cost is reduced by 30% as given in the question. So fine, guys, let's take a break of 15 minutes. I'll be back after 15 minutes with few more questions. One second, there is a query. Let me check. Yes, Kushi, that's why I just want everyone to solve the questions and post your answer just to make the sessions interesting. I'm just trying my best to motivate you guys and to post the answers. I just don't want this session to be monotonous that, okay, I'm just giving the lectures and you guys are sleeping. So try your best possible to solve the question and make sure that you guys are interactive in the class, as I'm damn sure many students will be sleeping. That's what it is. So do post your answers, do make necessary calculation, and whatever it is, do post, be it right, be it wrong, whatever it is. You guys also need a break, I think. That's what it is. So let's take a break. Hina? Yes, Anil. Again, don't stick to the formulas. Formulas won't work here. That's the major motto that, so I mean, that's the major reason why I'm giving you the question, so that at least, even though be it right, be it wrong, you guys are posting the answer, you are learning from your mistakes, and you're getting much better and confident as the questions are progressing. So that's what it is. Anyways, let's take a break of 15 minutes. I'll be back after 15 minutes. Thereafter, we'll start with the question. You guys also have a cup of coffee, because again, the questions I'm going to give you will not be straight away and simple. So let's take a break. Admin sir, are you there? Welcome back, my friends. So let's start with one more question. I request you guys to solve question number 1. The question number 1, I have shared the screen for your reference. So giving you 5 minutes time to solve question number 1. Waiting for your answers. So very good, Harsh Mishra. Your answer is correct. I request you guys to take the screenshot of the question. Harsh Mishra, can you please post your calculation along with the explanation? Yes, Harsh. Very good, Pooja. Your answer is correct. Do post the calculation along with the explanation, Pooja. Sorry. Hina Kumar, it is incorrect. Sorry. I think there is an option. Edwin sir, are you there? Can students take the photo and can share the solution via, this chat? So how to take the screenshot? Can you please guide the students, sir? Edwin sir? I request you guys to take the screenshot. Question number 1. Yes, sir. Okay. You can speak to the students. I think आपकी आवाज सब students को सुनाई देती है ना? So you can just guide the students, please. Admin sir, please guide the students. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay. Rohan, the answer is incorrect. Mustafa, it is incorrect. Do take the screenshot, guys. Hina, it is incorrect. Anyone else ready with the answer? You have to calculate the break-even sales. Gunjan, it is incorrect. Shobha, very good. It is correct. Very good, Shobha. Sabah Shakil, it is incorrect. Meenu, it is incorrect. Rabari, it is incorrect. Nisi, it is incorrect. Nitya, it is incorrect. Those who are getting this answer 17,857 or 856, this answer is incorrect. Many students are getting the same answer. This answer is incorrect. 100% incorrect, Shamli. Those who are getting this answer 17,857 or 856, whatever it is, this answer is incorrect, guys. If any new answer apart from this, you guys can post. Rest, keep on trying. See, again, half of the work you completed, Meenu. I have to just solve the remaining question. But the point is, I do expect the answer from you. Correct answer, Meenu. Nisi, it is again incorrect. This is what you have to figure out, Aradhna. That what's the meaning of this language? Vedant Tiwari, it is incorrect. Do post your explanation along with the calculation who posted the correct answer. Soni Srivastav, very good. Your answer is correct. Do post the explanation also, Soni. Pooja Byala, let me check. Pooja, I won't be able to open my Google Drive. You can just post the screenshot. So very good, Nisi. Now, after two incorrect answers, your answer is correct. Very good, Nisi. Pooja, it is incorrect. Meenu, it is incorrect. Mustafa, it is incorrect. Anil, it is incorrect. Those who posted the correct answer, you can write your explanation if you are not being able to attach the screenshot. I won't be able to open my Google Drive. Rabari, it is incorrect. Arun, it is correct. Very good, Arun. Do write your explanation in detail, Arun. This point is the key. Yes, you can share the picture, but on this portal only, not on Google Drive. This point is the key, Meenu. Last 2 minutes for this question, guys. Else I'll be solving. Last 2 minutes for You guys have to post the answers. And those who have posted the correct answer, do post your explanation also. Aradhana, it is incorrect. Hina, it is incorrect. Last 1 minute for all of you. So very good, Meenu. Your answer is correct. Finally, appreciate your efforts, Meenu. Very good. This is also incorrect. Mustafa. Rabari 17,857. As I already mentioned, it is incorrect. So let's start with the solution now. Stop writing now. Do pay attention. So see, the question is, a newspaper presently sell 1 lakh copies of its morning daily. It want to publish evening daily. And the particulars are wherein the selling price is given, variable cost is given, fixed cost is given for both. Very important point, the last line, that is sale of morning daily will fall by 1 copy for every 10 copies sold of evening daily. I repeat again, the sale of morning daily will fall by 1 copy for every 10 copies sold of evening daily. So let's start with the solution now. So sale of morning daily will fall by 1 copy for every 10 copies sold of evening daily. You are required to calculate the break-even sales for evening daily. So let's start. So as per the data given, selling price, variable cost, contribution per unit, and fixed cost. This is given in the question wherein the selling price is 2, variable cost is 1.2, contribution is 0.8. The fixed cost is given as 2,40,000. This is the data given. For evening daily, it is 0.50 rupees per paper. So 0.50, 0.22. And when talking about the fixed cost, it is given 10,000. Now, very important, guys. 1 second, few students also posted the answer. So let me check. Very good, Khushi. Your answer is correct. Appreciate your efforts. Linga, let me complete first. This answer is incorrect, Linga. Harsh Mishra. Very good, Harsh. Your answer and explanation is correct. Very good, everyone. Now see, read the question carefully, wherein it is given that sale of morning daily will fall by 1 copy for every 10 copies of evening daily. They are saying that for every 10 copies of evening daily, there will be loss of sales of morning daily by 1 copy. So for every 10 copies sold of evening daily, there will be a loss of 1 copy of morning daily. It means for every 10 copies of evening daily, we can say there is a loss of contribution of 80 paisa, because fixed costs remain constant at all the level of production. So we can say the variable cost will be, yes, it will be less. And at the end of the day, for every 10 copies of evening daily, there will be a loss of contribution of 1 copy. And the contribution for 1 copy is how much? 0.80 rupees. For every 10 copies of evening daily, there will be a loss of contribution of 80 paisa of morning daily. It means for every 1 copy of evening daily, we'll be losing 8 paisa. 10 copies, 80 paisa. So for 1 copy, 8 paisa is my loss. So I repeat again, for every 1 copy, the variable cost is 22 paisa. Apart from variable cost, there is a loss to the company. We call it as opportunity loss by 8 paisa. So we can say opportunity cost by 8 paisa. So how much profit I am making from 1 copy? How much contribution I am earning from 1 copy? 20 paisa. So now we have the fixed cost, we have the contribution per unit. Therefore, my break-even sales is equals to fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. So this will be fixed cost is how much? 10,000 divided by 20 paisa. So it will be 50,000 copies is the final answer. So this part was the key. Therein the opportunity cost comes into picture. You must have studied in chapter number 1, that is the theoretical chapter, that what is the opportunity cost? That is the cost or loss of foregone opportunities, opportunity cost or loss. So I'm done with the solution. Those who have any doubts or queries, you guys can post your queries. Edwin sir, can you please unmute Anil? That's okay. You can use it interchangeably, Harsh Mishra. Admin sir, can you please unmute?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Anil. Tell me.
Sir, for the loss of 10 copies of Evening Daily, we are going to lose 1 copy of Morning Daily, right?
Yes.
Sir, how can you decide that we're gonna lose 0.8 contribution?
You will only tell me the answer as it is given in the question, that for every 10 copies, we will be losing 1 copy, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? Right?
Yes,
On
sir.
1 copy, how much I'm earning?
1 copy we are earning, for the Morning Daily, we are earning 0.8.
80 paisa?
Yes, sir.
So it means
Got
for
it.
every 10 copies of Evening Daily, there will be a loss of 80 paisa?
Yes, sir. Got
So
it.
every copy
Thank
of
you.
Evening Daily, there will be a loss of 8 paisa. 10 copies, 80 paisa. So one copy, 8 paisa.
Yes, sir.
So this data is given for the overall company. So this is the break-even loss for Evening Daily for overall from company's prospect. I hope this part is clear. So 50 paisa we are earning as revenue. Variable cost is 22 paisa, but there is a loss also of 8 paisa to the company. So my net profit from per copy is only 20 paisa. Right, Anil?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it. Actually, I thought morning daily copies are not for one. Like, I'm confused actually.
That's okay, no worries. I hope it is clear.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Welcome, welcome. Sabah Shakil, I hope this part is clear now. I have discussed this again with Anil. Any doubts, Sabah and Tanu? Do you know how many copies were sold of Morning Daily? So, Hina, just tell me where I am wrong and where you are right. Yes, Hina? Can you please share me your explanation that what exactly you want to explain, Hina? Yes, Hina? Great. Anyone else with any doubts or queries? Okay. Admin sir, can you please unmute Hina?
हेलो सर.
Yes, ma'am. Tell me.
सर एक्चुअली नहीं, वो डाउट ये था कि मतलब हाउ डिड वी गेट कि हमें कंट्रीब्यूशन लॉस पता करना है, बिकॉज
आप
यूजुअली वी
मुझे ये
कैन.
बताइए हिना कि क्वेश्चन में गिवन है कि फॉर एवरी 10 कॉपीज ऑफ इवनिंग डेली देयर इज अ लॉस ऑफ 1 कॉपी, राइट?
यस, सो आई टुक
लॉस,
मींस इन अ.
सुनिए सुनिए सुनिए. हाँ, आप बताइए आपने क्या किया है.
तो फिर मैंने वही किया कि एक कॉपी है तो टोटल मॉर्निंग में 1 लाख कॉपी सोल्ड हुआ है, तो मैंने 10,000 कॉपीज निकाला. तो वही मुझे पूछना है कि वो रॉन्ग
नहीं नहीं
क्यों है,
नहीं, ये
मतलब
आपने 10,000 निकाला कैसे, मुझे आप ये बताएंगे.
क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन से कि 1 कॉपी मतलब 10 कॉपीज पे 1 का लॉस है, तो 1 लाख कॉपीज पे 10,000 का लॉस होगा.
नहीं, बट आपको क्या कह रहे हैं, वापस बताएंगे. 10,000 आपने निकाला कैसे?
मैंने नंबर ऑफ कॉपीज निकाला, लॉस होगा नंबर ऑफ कॉपीज, तो वही समझ
ओके.
नहीं आया कि
नहीं, ये
कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन
10,000 कैसे निकाला, मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ.
क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन की मतलब 10 कॉपीज पे 1 कॉपी का लॉस हुआ, तो
ओके.
1 लाख कॉपीज पे.
10
हाँ.
कॉपीज किसकी, हिना? 10 कॉपीज किसकी? इवनिंग डेली
10.
की 10 कॉपीज पे 1 कॉपीज का लॉस हुआ, राइट?
यस.
तो इवनिंग डेली की टोटल नंबर ऑफ कॉपीज गिवन है क्या?
सर मॉर्निंग के थे ना.
मॉर्निंग डेली का 1 लाख है. ऐसा कहीं पे भी क्वेश्चन ने नहीं बोला है कि मॉर्निंग डेली की 10 कॉपीज के बदले 1 कॉपी मॉर्निंग डेली का नुकसान होगा. रीड द लैंग्वेज. 10 copies of evening daily, there is a loss of 1 copy of morning daily. So ये 10,000 आपने फिगर निकाला वो भी गलत है. See, approach is wrong, that is correct. Approach is wrong, वो तो ठीक है. बट आपने जो 10,000 फिगर निकाला, आई थिंक यू हैव interpreted the question also. Because question में मॉर्निंग डेली की कॉपीज गिवन है, इवनिंग डेली की कॉपीज गिवन है क्या?
नहीं, वही सर मुझे कंफ्यूजन था इसके लिए.
नहीं, अगर क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ होता कि 50,000 इवनिंग डेली की कॉपीज है, राइट? तो आप बोल सकते हैं कि हाँ भाई 5,000 कॉपीज का नुकसान हुआ, राइट?
ओके सर.
आप तो मॉर्निंग डेली की कॉपीज को ही मॉर्निंग डेली से इक्वेट कर रहे हैं.
ओके सर, वही मुझे पूछना था कि कहाँ मिस्टेक हुआ करती.
नहीं, देखिए आपका अप्रोच इनकरेक्ट था, बट ये जो आपने 10,000 निकाला है वो भी इनकरेक्ट है, क्योंकि 10 कॉपीज इवनिंग डेली के बदले 1 कॉपी का नुकसान होता है, राइट? सो 1 लाख तो आपकी मॉर्निंग डेली की कॉपीज है, इवनिंग डेली की तो टोटल कॉपीज ही गिवन नहीं है.
ओके सर. ओके.
आई होप इट इज क्लियर नाउ.
यस सर, क्लियर क्लियर. थैंक यू.
I won't be, don't worry, Mustafa. But again, these questions are not tricky. The point is, it's all what about practice. The more you will practice, the better you will be with the concepts, Mustafa. So key is the practice and speed. So try to solve variety of questions. Don't worry, Mustafa. You will surely clear the exams. The point is practice and concepts are the key. Anyone else with any doubts or queries? Yashashwini, what went wrong? Okay, do you have a mic, Yashashwini? Yashashwini, do you have mic? Let me check, Pooja. एग्जाम में कुछ भी आ सकता है तनु, or else you can explain your problem in brief. I'll be taking your query. Yes, Arun, tell me. Aradhana, it is the cost of foregone opportunity. One second. Aradhana, Avasti, it is the cost of foregone opportunity. Yes, Arun, tell me.
Sir, okay, I have a clear clarity about
कुछ भी आवाज नहीं आ रही है,
right?
कुछ भी
Sir, I'm
आवाज नहीं आ
audible.
रही. Yes, yes, tell me.
Sir, I have a clear clarity about opportunity plus cost you deducted. But in case if the question is asked regarding the morning, that time I need to minus the 10% of okay, which hello.
I'm not getting what you are saying, Arun.
Sir, in case the examiner asked to calculate morning opportunity cost, then that time I need to
No.
reduce the loss.
If you want to calculate the break-even sales for morning daily, it will be straight away 2,40,000 divided by 0.8. There is no opportunity loss of evening daily. They are not giving anything about evening daily. When talking about morning daily, they first started with business with morning daily, and then they are planning to shift to evening daily, Arun.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, Yashashwini, any doubts? Kuldeep, what exactly you want me to explain? Can you please brief? Anyone else with any doubts or queries? I think enough of questions for today. In the coming, there are 2 more sessions on marginal costing, wherein I'll be discussing many new concepts also. Again, no formulas. I will not be discussing any formulas. Okay, one second. Tanu. Yes, Tanu, tell me.
Yes,
Admin
sir.
sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Tanu. Tell me.
सर जब इवनिंग डेली के प्रोडक्शन पे लॉस हो रहा है तो फिर कंपनी क्यों मतलब उसे प्रोड्यूस कर रही है?
Yes, Pooja. One second. क्या कह रहे हैं आप?
सर जब इवनिंग डेली के प्रोडक्शन पे कंपनी को 10 यूनिट्स का लॉस हो रहा है तो फिर कंपनी क्यों इवनिंग डेली का प्रोडक्शन कर रही है?
One second. हाँ. ओके, आप कहना चाहते हैं कि इवनिंग डेली आने से हमें नुकसान हो रहा है, राइट?
यस सर.
ओके, इवनिंग डेली की हर कॉपी पे कितना नुकसान हो रहा है तनु?
सर 1 कॉपी का.
फॉर एवरी 1 कॉपी हाउ मच इज द लॉस इन मॉनेटरी टर्म्स?
सर 0.08.
8 पैसा.
यस सर.
बट टोटल फायदा कितना हो रहा है?
सर 0.20.
20 पैसा का टोटल ओवरऑल फायदा तो हो रहा है.
यस सर.
ये लॉस 8 पैसा का एडजस्ट करने के बाद भी हमें 20 पैसे का फायदा हो रहा है, और ये 8 पैसा लॉस एडजस्ट नहीं भी करें तो 28 पैसे का फायदा हो रहा है. सी 50 पैसा इज माय सेलिंग प्राइस, 22 पैसा is my variable cost. So 28 पैसा का फायदा हो रहा है और 8 पैसा का नुकसान हो रहा है, फिर भी नेट 20 पैसे का फायदा हो रहा है. I hope it is clear, Tanu.
Yes, sir.
Clear है?
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Clear. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yes, Arun. This is what I'm trying to explain to Tanu. Admin sir, can you please unmute Yashashwini? Yes, Yashashwini, tell me. Yes, Yashashwini. I think you are not ready with your mic. Okay, so I'll address your query, Shamli. It happens with 98% of the students. What you are feeling like, it's happening with 98% of the students. When I was studying, the same issue happened. I mean, I was also facing the same issue. So no need to get worried, no need to feel depressed. See, I'm able to solve the question. The point is, it's all what about practice I did. I did practiced all the sums, many sums. That's why I'm able to solve it. So there is no rocket science. The point is, stick to the concepts. If you will practice, you'll be able to solve any questions. So don't worry, Shamli. No need to take tension at all. The point is, try to memorize the concepts, try to solve variety of question, and think the question practically. That just use a practical approach. That okay, if it is a personal life situation, how will I deal with it? So when talking about this question, also just think practically. That company के prospect से सोचिए कि suppose you are the owner of the company. So what will be your break even? Trust me, you will find costing as the easiest subject. I'll be posting questions tonight, variety of questions over the portal, so don't worry. I'll be providing different types of questions and I'll be discussing these types of questions. Yes, I'll be guiding everyone how to approach costing, and in fact all the subjects also I'll just guide you how to plan your studies. Mustafa. Yes, Meenu, your answer is correct and your approach is correct. So Shamli, don't take tensions. Things will be fine with you. The point is you need to practice. And I think in most of the cases, you are getting the answer. So no need to feel bad or stressed out. It happens with 98% of the students. And even I was a part of 98% only. So I know it happens with everyone. So that's what it is. So the point is, try to memorize the concepts, check my recorded session and try to solve the same questions what I discussed. Apart from this, if you have any graduation level books of third year or second year where there is this chapter marginal costing, try to solve very basic questions at the beginning. Don't rush for the advanced question. Even a suggestion to all of you guys, if you guys are studying in college and if you have that college ka book where there is a chapter named marginal costing, try to solve the questions of marginal costing. The questions will be easy, but the point is it's a bit time consuming, but it will help you to develop the concepts and overall understanding of this chapter. So once you are thorough with the concepts, you will be able to solve some advanced questions. So anyways, guys, so that's great. You can just check out few questions of your college material, be it any author. Best option is to continue with both the newspaper. Yes, Aditya, tell me. Admin sir, can you please unmute Aditya?
Sir, good morning, sir. Hello, sir, I am audible?
Yes, Aditya, tell me.
Okay. Sir, I have one doubt. How to start mock test paper? How to?
Right now, don't start mock test paper. When is your attempt, Aditya?
Sir, in May or September 26th, sir, first attempt.
So right now, focus on the concepts. Try to solve the questions of study material, past practice manual, and then once you are thorough with the concepts and all the questions, then start with the mock test papers.
RTP
As
and
of now,
NTP.
I'll not advise you to start with the mock test papers.
Okay.
I'll be uploading the questions, Aradhana. I just want to add few more questions. That's why I have not uploaded the notes. So we'll be uploading the notes soon. Don't worry.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you so much, everyone. So thank you so much, guys, for your time and patience and for active participation in the session. Don't worry, guys. You will be able to solve the question. The point is, it's a matter of time and it's all what about practice and concepts. So do revise what I have discussed in these two sessions. In the coming two sessions, I'll be discussing few more concepts, few more questions. I'll be putting up many questions in front of you. The reason for putting up the questions in class is so that you guys can gain some confidence. Okay, ऐसा नहीं हो कि once the lecture gets over and then you just come out with a blank head कि okay, I'm not been able to solve. So मैं कोशिश यही कर रहा हूं कि आप लोगों को practical situation के बारे में एक idea आ जाए. So that's what it is. Thank you so much for your time and patience. God bless you guys. See you day after tomorrow with few more new concepts on marginal costing and few additional questions. Take care, guys. God bless you. Thank you so much. Admin sir, I'm done.